Hi guys, welcome to the new video tutorial today. So here is the agenda for the session, like what we are planning to discuss today, right? So what is microservice, monolithic and microservice architecture difference? Advantage of microservice architecture, what is Spring Boot, sample demo in STS for microservice. So these are the topics that we guys are going to discuss today. So please be with me and stay with me to go through all the demo process, all the way I'm having the demo process at the end. So please stay with me. So let's go to the next slide. So I'm going to discuss what is a microservice, right? So we have developed many other banking projects and many other enterprise applications, but let's say what is the big thing about microservice, right? So the microservice architecture style is an approach to developing a single application as a suite of small services. So I'll give you an example by few this architecture difference with few blocks of diagram, right? So you can see in the left block, so there is a big rectangular structure which has the multiple components, right? The small component we have, let's say you have a banking application. So there are many features in a banking application, right? That could be the registration of the customer, that could be payment transfer from one account to the other. So there are multiple features that we provide, right, in an enterprise application. So here are the things, everything is created as a single service. So all the big component is deployed in a container. So that exactly serves the customer, right? So that is the architecture that we explained for the monolithic application architecture that we talk about. Whereas at the right hand side you can see in microservice architecture we have all small components, right? So triangle, circle, I mean all these are small components and these are all independent. These are exposed these services in the HTTP protocol, right? So let's talk about what are the advantages we are getting out of it and how it differs from the monolithic, right? Yet again, I'll go few more slides down, and these slides also you can see the application UI as calling a monolithic application. In monolithic application, you can see a bunch of business logic is provided, right? With interacting to a single database, right? All these modules of all these logic are interacting to a database. Whereas at the right hand side, this microservice from the application UI, depending on the requirement, they are connecting to a individual microservice, right? And those microservices are going and talking to the database. Correct. So you can see in the real life how it could be, visualized, right? You can see in the left hand side, everything is a big bulk of structure, right? Where in the microservice, everything is organized, right? All these features are packed into small containers, right? You can see in the right hand side that, right? So let's talk about what exactly the benefits we are getting out of it. So independent scaling, right? Each microservice can scale independently depending on the requirement. We can scale. That is the biggest feature of microservice that we are getting. Let's say you have 100 of features. Let's say in this block, like in the left hand side, you have a bigger container, right? If you want a certain product multiple times because of the consumer demand, that it cannot increase. As it is a whole block together, you need to have the multiple instance of all these big bulbs. But whereas in the right hand side, I can create the small container multiple instances, right? Depending on the requirement. That is what it's the biggest advantage we get, right? Independent upgrade. These microservices can be deployed independently. Teams are independent. Let's say you are getting an issue in a single microservice, right? So if you are getting a single microservice, if you are using or facing any issue, so in those cases, you don't need to make down the other microservice or services, right? So that is going to impact the user. it's always to have uh, single, like if you have multiple, all these features are distributed in among multiple instances. In those cases, I mean, one instance you can go ahead and deploy it, make it down. So other features are still running. The user will not be impacted much, right? So that is the biggest advantage we get out of this, right? Even the deployment, whenever you are facing any issue in a certain microservice, you can go and debug a lot on a single microservice where you don't need to touch the other services. In case of monolithic application, all these features are going to be affected, right? Because everything is in bunch of services. It will be deployed in a single server, right? So here, if I'll see you guys, like, so this is what it will happen, like, I mean, everything, all features are clubbed together, right? What will happen if at all a certain module is creating some issues? The build which we have deployed in the container, you need to make it down, which is make it very clumsy, right? Whereas at the right hand side, like you have multiple instances, let's say this microservice A is having a particular issue, this is having a issue. So I don't need to impact the other services which are deployed independently and serving to the customer. So the customer are coming, so still all these requests are coming to these microservices. This can be served to the application, this can be served to the customer without any effect, right? I can keep on debugging and fix this issue, and this can be happen, right? And independently this will be deployed, it has no impact on others. So this is the biggest advantage we get out of it, right? So let's what easy maintenance. Each marker does one feature code more readable. That's correct. I mean, if you talk about like less features will be in a single particular microservice or single module, then it is going to have the code will be much more readable, right? So it will not very complicated, and if you are managing a team, you would understand like how difficult it is to new resource. You need to train it, right? In case of microservice, the learning curve is very less. So easily the new journeys those are joining, they can go ahead and get started. So that is the biggest advantage we get. Failure and resource isolation. That I discussed, right? If at all one particular microservice is failing, so that is isolated. There is no impact on other microservices, right? So this will independently we can make it down. Independently we can debug it how much we can. So that is a great flavor that we are getting out of Microservice. Improved communication across teams. Members of domain work in single team. So that is what I mean. It facilitated a better communication across the team. It helps to provide the continuous. I mean that there should not be any downtime if at all we face any issues. So it's great. All the features. I mean that really helps to make the creating a enterprise application make the developers life easy, and also we are able to provide a better support to the customer. The customer impact is very less over here. So these are the benefits of microservice, guys. I mean, you can Google it more, and you can please comment in my comment section so that I come up with, and I'll try you guys to get it clarified if you have any doubt. So please do not hesitate and do let me know. Okay. So this microservice can be created in many languages. It has support many languages. So one of the biggest in favor that always I favor Java in terms of security, in terms of flexibility of developers writing the code. So it's all good. I mean, if you are creating a microservice in Java language, right? So you guys are familiar with Spring, right? The Spring provides the framework. You must be knowing about Spring framework, like help us to like write the enterprise application. The Spring framework, it comes with a bundle of features, right? A thousand of features they provided. So what is Spring Boot? Let's quickly, like I'll just introduce you guys to like Spring Boot. I'll be in future, I'll be coming with a lot many features on Spring Boot. So please let me know, like do subscribe to my channel to get all this information. So then let me introduce quickly on Spring Boot, right? So the aim of Spring Boot project is to like how quickly we can create a standalone production grade application, which can be right away. I mean, you must be facing, right, whenever you are creating a Spring project, there are a lot of configurations, there are a lot of things like you need to pre design, I mean, pre-configurations is required and pre-efforts are required to get it started. That's not in the case of Spring Boot, guys. Spring Boot, within few clicks, within few, like just few clicks, you will be, like able to create a production grade application which has a lot of strengths and abilities and which can, do wonder. So that is what the aim of the Spring Boot. Spring Boot is really easily pluggable to many other cloud technologies. So let's see. Like I'll give you a small flavor of Spring Boot, what it is and how it is. You can get it started. So there are really hot features that we get easy dependencies management, right? So it comes. I'll show you why is easy dependency management. Auto configuration, it comes with a very hot feature that is for auto configuration. Embedded servlet container support. So the Spring Boot project we are creating, we are going to create, so that will have the embedded container. So you don't need to do the container setup all alone and take the build and deploy. So those things, those drama you don't need to do. Everything will be done in few clicks. So let's I mean, it's the time for demo, guys. So let me go ahead and show you, like in creating a Spring Boot project and how easily we can create, right? So this is the Spring toolsuit that I have. You guys can go ahead and download it. So where you can download, you need to just type Spring toolsuit download. So here it goes. So download STL. And what is Spring toolsuit? Let me tell you guys, like this is provided by Spring Team, where a bundle of this is very, like this ID is very much familiar and creating the Spring Boot project. So this is dedicated to most of them, the Spring Boot project. So this is what I mean. It's very easy to create a Spring Boot project through this ID. So this is provided by the Spring team. So you can see the Spring.io from here in the tool section. You'll be able to download. You have all these flavors for Windows, Mac, or Linux. You can choose any other 32-byte or 64-byte. You can choose one of them and then you can get it installed, right? So this is what I had. This is what I had, and how you can create a Spring Boot project, right? So in the file section, you just go to the Spring Starter project. Right? If you go to the Spring Starter project, connect to this start Spring.io, and let me give you guys like demo microservice, right? And Spring Boot project. So I have given this name. So just need to click. Yeah, this is the here is the thing. Like all this, like that you could see multiple features that have been provided, right? Cloud AWS, Cloud Country, Cloud Core, Cloud Discovery. Like I'll be guys, I'm not going all these topics in a separate video. This is not, like all alone. We cannot go through this one in a single video. Please do subscribe to my channel. So I'll just choose web. I'll just choose web as I'll be creating a web sample web application, and I'll click finish. So let's see what it does, right? So all these magic things are happening to do all the configuration ready for me, so that I'll just give a click and my production grade application is going to be ready. So let's get it downloaded. So while it's getting downloaded, I'll tell you few guys, like uh, I have this is a new blog, and this is a new channel I have created, and I have been working like it's been 7 years. I have strong background on cloud technology. I'll be creating a lot of videos in future, so which will help you guys. Please do subscribe and like, and please let me know in comment section also if you guys need any help, or if you want me to do any improvement in my videos. So please do let me know. If I make any mistake, I'm really sorry for that. So here it guys, like, so it get downloaded, right? So this is the Maven project I have. It gets created, okay? And what it has, so created demo application, microservice application is my application name. Create the application file. So what it has, like, it has an annotation called Spring Boot application. So and it has a main method. So what it does, the Spring Boot, this annotation, what it has. So this supports Spring Boot configuration, enable auto configuration, and component scan. I'll go through guys individually all these topics. This is going to take a lot of time. So this actually bootstrap application. If I'll run this particular main method, it like bootstrap this application. Like it will instantiate the embedded container which is already been available. If I'll open this form.xml, you guys can see how many pre-configuration is already done, right? So let's go and see. I'll go to this dependencies section. So let's go to the form.xml, right? So this is the starter parent, right? This is being provided by the Spring Boot team. So this starter parent has all under this has lot of dependencies. They put it under the starter parent. So required dependencies are inside it. So you can see I'll be requiring the Java 8 for this one. So you guys need to, if you want to run any Spring Boot project, you need to have this Java 1.8. So you can see I have chosen as base. So this has been added, right? Spring Boot starter base. And the starter base is by default, and this is the plugin which will create the executable jar and help me to build stuff, right? So these are the things. What is combining? If you go to this starter parent, right? These are the things that are coming. Like under the hood, all these things are coming. Right? These are the dependencies are available, which is helping me to like these are all pre-configured. So this is within few clicks. I didn't do any much things. So I just within few clicks. So this is gets ready, right? So just to demo, let me create a controller, right? So let me create a package. I need the key. Let me put it. So here is I have created a controller package. Let me create a controller so that I can show you in through a HTTP request and how the application is getting started and how I can like serve a particular request. Right? So I just annotate this file with REST control. So this REST controller will expose a service as a REST API. Okay. sorry guys, my system is getting slow because the new project I have started is trying to bring up the required dependency. Right? So yes, so here it came. So it was just loading all those. I'll just create a method which is written as string. Say all of us hello. Right? I'll put a return statement over here. Here again, I'll give a mapping for this one. So what I did guys, like I created a REST controller which will expose a REST API, and I'll try to invoke, like let's see like how this is, application is getting started, how quickly this application is getting pre-configured and get started. So that is what is my whole aim. So here you could see I'm running as a Spring Boot app, right? So let's see like what are the logs are rolling. So I told you guys like it comes with the embedded container. Then you can see it's running with Tomcat. So the Tomcat is library is by default is input project it has, and it's running with on the default port that is 808, right? And what is the controller I have written? This is the test I have written, right? If I'll go to the browser and I'll put a request with localhost 8080 and test. So let's see what response I'm getting. Here it comes, right? So I got a success response in my browser. So what it does, like if this API that I have written, I have created a microservice, I have exposed a particular API with a REST API, and I'm able to get a response out of it, right? So how cool is this Spring Boot project, and how different is from the Spring framework? The headache that we had, a lot of pre-configuration and all those things I had to do, which I had not to do in the Spring Boot project. So this is what the flavor or the benefits the Spring Boot project is giving to all of us. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you like it, please do like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be coming with a lot of other videos which will help you guys and let me know what else I